Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com, and after doing so, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after successfully logging into your WordPress account, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can get started with choosing the website you want to edit. So open up your website in the editor mode right here, and now we can get started. So basically guys, in this home page right here at the left side of the screen, we can see all the sections we can access for managing our WordPress website, such as statistics, upgrades, mailboxes, and so on. What we're looking for guys is right here at the bottom of the page. You want to scroll down and find the tools section. Put your mouse on tools. That's going to open up this new drop down menu, and you want to open up marketing. So open up marketing. After clicking marketing guys, this is now going to open up this new page where we can take a look at all the sections we can access, such as our marketing tools connections. We want to open up traffic. Click on traffic, and guys, now in this new menu that you have opened up with traffic, what you can do is scroll down until you find the Google Analytics website. So here you can guys see the section for Google Analytics where you can see you can get started connecting your site to Google Analytics in seconds with a premium plan. So if you have your premium plan for WordPress, you can just click here guys, and get started with connecting your account by logging in. As you can see, I need to upgrade my plan first. If you have an upgraded plan, you can just go ahead and connect and get started connecting your Google account and get started using Google Analytics. But yeah guys, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.